me Sachin Pratap Singh, Discipline Journalism, Subject name Media Law and Ethics, Module name Broadcasting Bill. While the need for a broadcasting bill has been talked about since 1997, it was only in 2006 that the UPA government, with Priya Ranjan as the Union Information Broadcasting Minister, brought out the draft for the Broadcasting Service Regulation Bill. The bill said, and the INB Ministry will regulate the broadcast service with several private TV channels. Around now, the draft bill, which calls for the setting for a separate broadcast regulatory authority of India (BRAI), has covered four major areas in this ambit, which would calls from the major corporate restructuring by media companies, foreigner and the domestic operating in India. These include content, cross media ownership, subscription and live sports feed. Anup Bishnoi explain what regulation ground TV service as now. Cable TV Television Network Regulation Act 1995 as a basic governing system for all TV channel related issue. However, the ministry has been of the view for years now that the increase in the number of television channels require a special set of law in keeping with the times and with provision for a regulatory mechanism. What is content code? Along with the draft broadcasting bill, the ministry had also formulated a content code of regulate the program quality being aired by broadcaster and to protect the consumer interested national interest and right to privacy. Why is the broadcast industry against the bill and the content code? The big issue is the government intention to the control a regulate program content. The industry feels that the government plans to infringe on their rights as a free media through the two proposed purpose regulation and says that tribunal law be applied against news channels under the meat of the bill if it is allowed to go through a stringent content of code and clause like national interest and right to privacy of citizen may spare the deathly of investigative journalism and string operation for broadcasters. The other problems with the bill is that in an age with when citizens are bombarded with news view through various media, newspaper, cable and satellite TV, internet, radio and mobile phone, it seeks to enforce outdated concept of the media and dominance as per broadcaster. The draft bill, they point out, say that no broadcasting service provider can own more than 20% of another broadcasting network service provider. BRAI is also liable to government control, say broadcasters. Status of the proposed bill and content code. While the INB ministry planned to take the bill of parliament this monsoon session, women opposition from the broadcaster has pushed to rethink. So while the ministry still maintaining that it will definitely get in a regulation, it is consulting stakeholder. The ministry content code of may make way for a self-regulation content code being chalked out by the National Broadcaster Association (NBA). The draft bill, on which various states are also being consulted, still has the ministry and the broadcaster and on opposite ends. Key issue: the above narration highlight the key area covered by the proposed legislation. However, the draft of the proposed legislation is also attached here with and also placed of the ministry website get force response from the stake stakeholders. However, it is once again retired that the WOP proposal represent current thinking in the Ministry of Information Broadcasting and are subject to modification in the light of comments received from the media and the industry, as well as various content ministry. Each subject area discussed above may raise several key issues that need to be addressed before final views can be formulated. The stakeholders are therefore requested to submit their views on key issues in respect of the area covered above, as also an other related area that they considered important enough. Anyone desires of submitting his comments and view is requested to do so by within a period of 1 month from the date of putting his consulting papers on the website of the Ministry Information and Broadcasting. The comments may be accompanied by the relevant documentary evidence, if any, and addressed